Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to discuss about writing a C program to perform basic operations of a calculator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus operation using if-else ladder statement. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. Let me first write the output of this program. Okay. When this program gets executed, it will display a menu with various options to the user, like 1. So these are the various operations which I am going to perform. So when this program gets executed, this menu with these options will be displayed, where user needs to select any of the option. Then enter, then user will enter their choice. Let us suppose user enters 1, then it asks user to enter two numbers. Since I have entered 1, that means addition needs to perform, and I will get output as addition is 30. So this is our output. So based on this output, we need to write a C program using if-else ladder. So now let us first try to find how many variables are required in our program. So now you can see, after showing this menu, I am asking the user to enter their choice, and their choice is any value. That means I am expecting a value from the user. So to store that value in our program, I need to create an integer variable, let us say choice. Along with the variable choice, I am also asking user to enter two values. These are those two values, 10 and 20. Now I need to create one more variable, a, of type int, and another variable, b, of type int. Now once the addition is been performed, then these two numbers gets added and we will get this sum here, addition here. So to store this output also we need to create one more variable, and that is s. Okay, so these are the variables which we require to create in our C program to get this output. Now let us start writing our C program using else if ladder statement. I will start the program with the header files. Screen. Now I need to declare my variables, int ch, a, comma b, comma sum. Now I need to design this menu. Now instead of using 5 different printf, I will try to display these 5 options inside a single printf function. 2 dot subtraction --n double quote and then semicolon. Now I need to display this message, enter your choice. Now I need to read the user's choice from the keyboard using the input function scanf. Now as I have already told you that I am using else if ladder statement to get this output, so I should start with the if keyword, and inside the if I should pass this ch. If ch is equals to 1, that means suppose user has entered 1 as their choice, that means the user wants to perform the addition. If the user input is 1, then bracket open, I will ask the user to enter two numbers, printf enter two numbers, and then scanf %d, comma ampersand a, comma ampersand b. Okay. Now I have taken two values from the user, and those two values get stored inside a and b. Now I need to add a plus b and then print f addition is %d slash n comma s, if bracket closed. Okay, now instead of creating integer variable sum, I will create a float variable s. Okay, now I will change this format specifier to f. Okay, because whenever we'll be performing the division operation on any two numbers, there might be the chances that we will get float values. So to store the float values, we should use s of type float. Now suppose if the user choice is 2, that means user wants to perform subtraction. So I will use else if choice is equals to 2. Then again we need to write these 4 statements. S is equals to a minus b, and then I will print here only printf subtraction is %f slash n comma s. Okay, this one is done. Now if the suppose user has entered choice 3, that means user wants to perform multiplication, else if ch is equals to 3b, then s is equals to a star b, and print bracket closed. If the user entered choice is 4, else if ch is equals to 4, then same printf statements and scanf statements. Scanf, same, these two statements should come here, and then s equals to a by b, then print s, bracket closed. Next, one more else if, because we need to check for this fifth option. Else if ch is equals to 5, then print f b, next s equals to a mod b, print f modulus is %f slash n comma s, bracket closed, then return 0, and then this main function gets closed. Okay, so this is how you can write a C program to perform addition, multiplication, division, subtraction and modulus using else if ladder. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood. That's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you guys got some valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.